holding their arms. So we're going to start real slow, and we're going to build up, okay? So we're going to circle forward for 3. 1, 2, 3. Circle back. 1, 2, 3. Circle forward. 1, 2, 3. Circle back. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Circle back. 1, 2, 3. Cross leg, arms over. Cross arms over, top and bottom. Okay, give me 5 here. Give me 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One arm swing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch the other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both arms swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab your knee up. So we're going to do 6 times. Other knee. Okay, that's 2, up, 3, up, 4. Remember, grab your knee, bring it into the chest. 5. One more, and 6. Okay, number 2, exercise number 2. Circle, hip flexors, up and around, big circle. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, exercise number 3. Grab your ankle, hands up to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3. Other side, up. 1, 2, 3. Switch side, up. 1, 2, 3. Switch sides, up. 1, 2, 3. 2 more, up. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more, up. 1, 2, 3. 1 more, extra stretch. Let me turn to the side. Lunge forward. Kick the butt. Okay? 1 big step. Kick the butt. Switch side. Lunge. Kick the butt. Switch side. We got 3 more. Lunge. Kick the butt. 2 more. Lunge. Kick the butt. 1 more. Lunge. Kick the butt. All right. Kick side to side. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me a yoga pose. Cross ankle over your knee. Switch side. We got 10. No, we got 6. Let's do 6. 2. Come on, work on those balance. 3, 4. Nice and slow. 3, 5. Big inhale. Exhale. 6. Okay, awesome job. Okay, so let's get into some warm up. Warm up. Knee high 10. I'm turning to the side. Knee high 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn the other way. 10 knee high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Give me 10 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Heart rate is elevated. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And again, big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Moving on. Jump, touch your toes. Jump, touch your toes. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, break. Exercise number 1. Okay. Exercise number 2. And then we're going to do a combo. We're going to put them together. Lunge back. Lunge forward. Lunge back. Lunge forward. Lunge back. Lunge forward. Switch legs. Lunge forward. Lunge back. Lunge forward. Lunge back. Lunge forward. Lunge back. Okay, that's exercise number 2. Exercise number 3. Jump lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Catch your breath. Ooh, I can feel my heart rate elevating, and you should too. Big inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Jump, touch your toes 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lunge forward, lunge back. 1, 2, 3. Switch side. Lunge forward, lunge back, lunge forward, lunge back, lunge forward, lunge back. Great. Catch your breath. Should start to break a sweat now. I want you to give me 6 jump squats. 6 jump squats. This is how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did y'all do that? Ready? And give me 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Break. Catch your breath. Woo-hoo-hoo. Beginning up through your nose, exhale through the mouth. Number 2. Touch the ground. Jump out, touch the ground. 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get your breath. Begin here through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Hope everybody's feeling good. Lunge to the side, tap your toe. 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 One more. Knee high 10. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Number 2. Set 2. Lunge. Together. Lunge, touch your toe. Lunge, touch your toe. Lunge, touch your toe. One more. Touch your toe. Knee high 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more set. Lunge. Touch your toe. Lunge. Touch your toe. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. 6. Jog in place 10 times. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anybody have some canned goods? Any canned goods? Grab you something that you can have some resistance with. Lunge, bicep, press it down. Switch side, bicep, press, up. Big inhale, exhale. Okay, lunge. Come on, 3 more, big step. 2 more.
You can do it.
1 more. Okay, just 6. All right, number 2, here we go. Pop, squat, pop, squat, pop, squat, open, squat. Come on, 3 more, open, squat. 2 more, open, squat. 1 more, open, squat. Catch your breath. Woo, y'all giving me a good workout. Next exercise, number 3. We're gonna jab 20 times. Squat down, jab 20 times. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! That hurt, you guys. Starting over. Starting over. Big step, bicep, press with the shoulders and down. You can improvise if you don't have anything to put in your hands. 2, that's it. 3, 4, 5, 1 more, 6. Okay, number 2. Remember how we kick to the side? Kick, squat, and squat. Kick, kick, squat, and squat. Kick, kick, squat, and squat. Come on, 3 more. Kick, kick, squat, and squat. 2 more. Kick, kick, squat, and squat. Kick, kick, squat, and squat. Catch your breath. Last one. Jab 20 times. In the belly button. Squat low. Arch the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. you guys, if you have a mat or a towel, or you, you know, in your living room, just go down to the floor. Go down to the floor. Lay flat. Give me 6, 5, 2, 3. Down slow. Up fast. Down slow. 2 more. Up. And 1 more. Up. Here we go. Bicycle. Elbows to knees. Pop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, break. 1 more. 1 more. No, 1 more. Up, touch your toes. Up, touch your toes. Up, touch your toes. 3 more. 2 more. 1. Ooh. That hurt if you do it correctly, you guys. So you gotta practice mind-muscle connection. Connect with your muscles if you want to feel them and make them grow. Okay, so we're gonna do round 2. Sit up for 6. Up 1. Up 2. Up 3. Up 4. Up 5. And 6. Bicycles. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up, touch your toes. 1. These are the hard ones. 2. I'm getting tired. 3. And 4. All right, you guys, how did that feel? Because my stomach is hurting. I don't know about you. Okay, so let's turn over on the mat. Turn over on the mat. Okay. Let's do some fire hydrant. Okay, that's for your glutes. Okay, so we're gonna circle around 10 times, circle around 10 times, right, and alternate 10 times. We got 2 sets like that. Okay, just get on all 4s. Let's start with the left leg first, up and around 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I feel it. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alternate legs, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, go into your cat pose. Rest the muscle. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. 1 more set. Let's start on the right leg. Ready? And circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. And 1, 2. Ooh, I feel my glutes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alternate legs. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, I feel that. Stretch, stretch. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Okay. Yep. Got a couple of more exercises for you guys. This is called an inchworm. We're going to inchworm down. I'm going to demonstrate first. Inchworm down. Okay. I want you to jump in and out 2. 1, 2. Okay. And then mountain climb. 4. Inchworm back up. 6 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot, you guys. That's hard. But mind muscle connection. Okay, nice and slow. Inchworm down. Pop up, up. Inchworm down. Jump in and out 2. Mountain climb 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push your body back up. 6 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brett, we got 1 more set. Whew. I'm breaking a sweat out here, you guys. I hope you are too. Catch your breath. Big inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. We got 1 more, you guys. 1 more inchworm down. Jump in and out. Mountain climb 4. Inchworm back up. 6 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. I'm going to give you one more exercise and then we're going to go into some stretching. Back into the stretching. So one more exercise, then back into stretching. Alright.
Look like peaches.
This is called curtsy lunges. Leg goes back, curtsy down. Curtsy lunges. 2. Open. 3. Come on, step all the way back, then go down. 4. 5. Nice and slow. 6. Good. 7. 8. Come on, we go into 10. Come on, push through the pain. 9. And 10. Good. Awesome job, you guys. Deadlifts. Deadlifts. We're going to improvise that we have weights in our hand. We're going to improvise. So push the hips back and up. Back and up. Back, up. Back, up. 5 more. 4 more. 3.
Oh, Carrie, stop. I can't see the lady.
And 1. Catch your breath, you guys. Catch your breath. Okay, this is called goblet squats. We're going to pretend like we have a dumbbell in our hand. We're going to pretend like we have a dumbbell in our hand. Push your hips back. Squat 1. Hips come forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Okay, break. Catch your breath. I want you to do a 10-second hold. Open up your legs. Squat down. Just hold it 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Break. Ooh, I feel light in my legs. I feel light in my legs. One more set, and then we'll stretch it out, okay?
Carrie, what are you doing?
Stretch out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice and slow. 7. Feel that stretch in the hamstring. 8, and 9, and 10. We're gonna pretend like we got a dumbbell in our hand. Goblet squats. Push your hips back. Squat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, squeeze your legs. 7, and 8, and 9, 10. Catch your breath. We got 2 more exercises, then we go into some stretching, you guys. Doing an awesome job. Squats 10 times. No, we're gonna hold 10 seconds. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pulse 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break. Woo. My legs on fire. Big inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Roll it up, 1 vertebrae at a time. Big inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Roll it up. Give me 1 more. Big inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Right. Open up the legs. Big inhale, stretch forward. Head down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll up. Big inhale. Exhale down. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lunge to the right. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stretch to the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just do what you can. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Center. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it up. Catch your breath. Cross right over left. Cross right over left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left over. Stretch out the triceps, hands up behind the head. Take your hands and push your elbows down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, grab your knee 6 times, nice and slow. Big inhale, exhale. Bring your knee into the chest. Up. That's number 3. Up. That's number 4. And 5, 6. Okay. Hip flexors up, circle around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, close it in. Bring it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna lunge forward, turn side. 5. Switch side, nice and slow. Lunge forward, turn to the side. Switch side. We got 6 of these. Lunge forward, nice and slow. Turn to the side. Switch side. Lunge forward. Turn to the side. 2 more. Switch side. Lunge forward. Turn to the side. And 1 more. Lunge forward. Turn to the side. Catch your breath. You can inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Let's do the yoga stretch. Cross ankles over the knee. 3, 2, 1. Switch side. Other side. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Big inhale. Exhale. Concentrate. Okay. Working on our balance. Big inhale. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Come on. 2 more. Up. Down. 3, 2, 1. This is all mental, you guys. Mental strength. And 1 more. Down. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Big inhale through the nose. Body goes down. Roll it up. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale. Body goes down. Up. Roll it up. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Roll it down and roll it up. Take your hands, bring it to the back so you can stretch out your chest muscles. Hands to the back, stretch it out. 3, 2, 1. Kind of bring your body forward. Arms up. 3, 2, 1. Bring it forward. Stretch. Pull it out. Come on, stretch it out. The curve in the back. Curve in the back. 3, 2, 1. And last routine, we're going to circle. Circle your arms so your whole body can be loosened up. Blood flowing. Okay, just circle forward. All in the joints. Feel that all in the joints. 3, 2, 1. Stretch to the back. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cross it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Stretch it all the way to the back. Swing it. Swing your arms. Just let it hang down. Swing. Blow it out. Big inhale with the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Bring in the body. Bring in the heart rate down. Big inhale with the nose. Exhale through the mouth.
I am doing it.
All right, guys.